Alright, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to get your Hilux serviced is to be there before everybody else. You have to arrive at the dealership before everybody else. That's what we're doing now. Have I got my coffee? I do indeed. Number one, very important. Gotta have coffee. Right, so we're arriving here now in Menlyn, taking off the Gaasfontein turnoff. It's now 6:30. Toyota opens up at 7, so we're half an hour early. I do hope that we beat everybody else and that we're first in, because that's the plan today. We have to be in first and out first. Oh, traffic! Come on. It's just around the corner. I'm so close. I can taste it. Oh, let's go, people. Let's go. First in, first out. Let's go. That's the building there. It's still being built. Ah, and it's green, but not for me. Green for the other people. Oh, at this rate, I'm going to be late. I need to be first in. It's 6:30 still. Oh my gosh. I'm so close, I can smell it. I can smell the new Toyotas. It's now 6:32. I'm still stuck. We're going. We're off, and we're off. Not far now. Another red light. Being thrown curveballs here. Toyota's just behind that building. I'm here. It's now 6:36. But there's a queue. We're not first. We are 8th. But I'm optimistic that there's more than one service bay within this huge building. So we should still be first. Out of all the cars being serviced, we should be the first batch of cars, the first, like, say, 10 cars that get serviced. We should be that, but shock and horror. I arrived here, I had no more space on my camera. I recorded, but nothing saved. Oh, we're moving. The queue is moving. We're on our way in. We're gonna get serviced first. First in, first out. It's the goal today. Guys, we might not be the 8th car. We might be a little bit before the 8th car. This is fantastic news. Seems to be a little bit of a hold up. Somebody's not sure whether or not they want to service today. I see there's already cars inside the bays being served. What is this? When did that car get here? We need to get tips from him. Why doesn't he start a YouTube channel? Oh, there's a lot of cars. Look, more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars. 8 of them. We are not first. We're 1. That was first. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're number 6, I think. Right, so the car's in. It's 50,000 service kilometer with Sean here at Barlow Road, Toyota Menlyn. Now it's just time to wait. Right then, so we're finished. Service complete. I was 3rd in, 3rd out. That's how it works. It's now 11:30, which means we got it before lunch. Much better than the last time I came. That was the entire day, but I don't know what number I was in the queue. So thank you, Toyota Menlyn. Your wonderful new building. So awesome. Great stuff. That's how you service your Hilux. That's how you service your Hilux here at Toyota Menlyn.